kings still learn to rule. When stone had not yet touched the sky, Djoser rose upon the throne to bind the land where floods run by. A king of order, law and grain, of stable reign and measured might. Yet death still claimed the royal name, as it had every king in sight.
Beside the king stood Imhotep, not born of crowns but wisdom learned, a scribe, a priest, a mastermind, where craft and knowledge calmly burned. He served as chancellor, architect, high priest of a man who shaped both stone and state, where thought became an elusive.
Before the kings lay under earth, in master bus of brick and clay, low tombs to mark a royal grave that time and flood would wear away.
But Imhotep dreamed in lasting form of stacked stone rising toward the sun, a stairway for the royal soul to climb where gods and stars are one. Stone upon stone, the first of all, a form the world had never known, not built to conquer foreign lands, but to defy the death of throne.
A monument of rule and time, where kings would rise beyond the grave, the first pyramid of humankind, a claim no mortal dare to say.
In Saqqara sand the vision grew, a complex vast with walls and courts, false doors, chapels, ritual paths, and symbols carved in measured thought.
Not just a tomb, but royal realm, a palace built for life beyond, where kings would rule in afterlife, as Horus crowned and Osiris swore.
For the first time cut stone was used, not mudbrick shaped by fleeting rain, a choice that changed all future kings and marked the start of lasting reign. From Djoser's steps to Giza's peaks, 1,000 years of
Djoser's rule and Imhotep's mind, a world of stone and order bore.
After kings and names were dust, the steps still climb toward war.